IoT, Internet of Things, can offer several advantages in pumping applications, enhancing the efficiency, reliability, and maintenance of pumping systems. Here's how IoT can help in pumping. 1. Remote monitoring and control. IoT enables real-time monitoring of pump performance from anywhere, allowing operators to remotely access and monitor the status of pumps, motor conditions, energy consumption, and other operational parameters. This remote monitoring capability facilitates timely detection of issues, such as pump failures or abnormalities, and enables operators to take immediate action to prevent further damage or disruptions. 2. Condition monitoring. IoT sensors can be deployed on pumps and associated equipment to monitor various parameters like vibration, temperature, pressure, and motor current. These sensors continuously collect data and transmit it to a central system for analysis. By leveraging predictive analytics algorithms, potential faults or anomalies can be detected in real time, enabling proactive maintenance actions. Early identification of issues helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, optimize maintenance schedules, and reduce costly downtime. 3. Energy optimization. IoT-enabled pumps can collect and transmit energy consumption data, allowing operators to monitor and analyze the energy usage patterns. This data can be used to identify energy inefficiencies, optimize pump operation, and implement energy-saving strategies. By monitoring real-time energy consumption and adjusting pump operation accordingly, energy costs can be minimized, leading to significant savings over time. 4. Fault detection and alerts. IoT-based systems can quickly identify pump malfunctions, performance deviations, or abnormalities by analyzing real-time data. Deviations from normal operating
Data
conditions can
analytics
trigger
and
automatic
optimization.
alerts or
IoT
notifications
generates
to
large
operators,
volumes of
allowing
data
them
that can
to
be
promptly
analyzed to
respond
gain
and
insights
resolve
into pump
issues.
performance,
System
rapid
behavior,
fault detection,
and helps
efficiency.
minimize downtime.
Advanced analytics
Reduced
techniques
maintenance
can be
costs
applied to
and
identify
ensure
trends,
continuous
patterns,
pump operation and correlations, enabling operators to optimize pump operations, predict maintenance needs, and improve overall efficiency. By leveraging data-driven insights, operators can make informed decisions to enhance pump performance and extend equipment lifespan. Integration with SCADA and HMI systems. IoT can seamlessly integrate with existing SCADA and HMI systems, enhancing their capabilities. Real-time data from IoT sensors can be integrated into the SCADA system, allowing operators to visualize and control pump operations through HMIs. This integration provides a comprehensive view of the pumping system, enables efficient monitoring, and empowers operators to make informed decisions based on real-time data. In summary, IoT offers remote monitoring, predictive maintenance, energy optimization, fault detection, and data-driven insights in pumping applications. By leveraging IoT technologies, pumping systems can operate more efficiently, experience fewer failures, and benefit from proactive maintenance practices, resulting in improved performance, reduced costs,